Mitsunobu reaction, one of the reaction from unit name reaction. Before starting the reaction, let's quickly revise yourself that SN1 reaction gives racemic mixture, SN2 reaction gives inverted product, whereas SNI reaction gives retention of configuration. Here, list of some leaving group to carry out reaction in fast speed or to enhance the rate of reaction, reactant must contain good leaving group. Here, fluorine is a highly electronegative small size. Therefore, the binding between substrate and fluoride is a strong binding. Therefore, it cannot leaving the substrate easily or easy manner, whereas iodine is less electronegative, high size, and binding between substrate and iodine is a weak binding. Therefore, it can easily loses from leaves. Therefore, it can easily leaves the substrate. Therefore, it is a very good leaving group. Now, in this reaction, we required, that is, we have to remove hydroxy group but similar to fluoride, hydroxy group is also electronegative as well as bad leaving group. It can be removed by SNI mechanism, but there is one condition that we have already revised, that is SNI gives product with a retention of configuration and we required product with inversion of configuration, which is obtained by SN2 mechanism, but it required good leaving group. Then how we get inverted product from alcohol? So the answer is Mitsunobu reaction. It carried out reaction in the presence of reagent diethyl azo dicarboxylate, that is DEAD, DEAD, diethyl azo dicarboxylate. It is also called as Mitsunobu reagent. Also, the reaction is carried out in presence of triphenyl phosphine. So, let's discuss about Mitsunobu reaction. This is one of the method for converting molecule that bears poor leaving group into a derivative that can react via SN2 displacement even when nucleophile is weak. On the other hand, to carry out reaction by SN2 mechanism, we require strong nucleophile along with good leaving group. But so let's just see with all these reverse condition how SN2 proceed. General reaction: alcohol on treatment with nucleophile in presence of Mitsunobu reagent, that is DEAD, diethyl azo dicarboxylate, and triphenyl phosphine, gives inverted product. Here we can see weak nucleophile such that carboxylic acid is used as a weak nucleophile. So let's understand how the reaction proceeds. Before starting the mechanism, students, this nitrogen double bond in this DEAD is very much unstable, such that there is repulsion between lone pair of nitrogen and pi bond of nitrogen. Therefore, it is very much unstable. Therefore, they want to stabilize itself by converting into diethyl hydrazine dicarboxylate, that is converting this pi bond into NH bond. Therefore, NH is a strong bond or much more stable than N double bond N, carrying lone pair of electron. Therefore, in first step, lone pair of electrons from triphenyl phosphine were added into pi star antibonding of nitrogen. This will create negatively charged nitrogen, which is more basic, hence it is in search of acidic proton. Therefore, in reaction we have weak nucleophile that it contain acidic proton, such that carboxylic acid we have considered as a weak nucleophile, such that it's after removal of this proton we are getting weak conjugate base of carboxylic acid, such that it is a weak nucleophile. Therefore, this N minus will abstract proton from carboxylic acid. After that, initial bond between nitrogen and phosphorus broken in a heterolytic manner, such that both the electron pairs of phosphorus will remain on nitrogen. Hence, by having electron from phosphorus, phosphorus becomes more electropositive, hence carrying extra positive charge, and nitrogen becomes negatively charged, hence abstract proton from alcohol. Alcoholic proton can be abstracted by this negatively charged nitrogen ion. Okay. Therefore, here is the formation of stable diethyl hydrazine dicarboxylate ion, that is DEHD, diethyl hydrazine dicarboxylate. Azo group is replaced by hydrazine. Okay. It is a stable due to no lone pair and pi bond repulsion. Now, this oxyanion reactant react with electron deficient triphenyl phosphine and neutralize one of the positive charge of triphenyl phosphine. So, students, this is the driving force of this reaction, that is formation of oxygen phosphorus bond. Formation of oxygen phosphorus bond. Students, this oxygen phosphorus bond is a very strong bond, hence it will convert hydroxy group. कुठे गेला? Hydroxy group from bad leaving group into a triphenyl phosphorus oxide good leaving group. Since it is a SN2 reaction, as the nucleophile attacking from the back side of the leaving group, there is a removal of oxygen and formation of oxygen phosphorus double bond. In this manner, we are getting inverted product from hydroxy group. Let's revise this reaction with another example. benzoic acid on treatment with ethyl hydroxycarboxylate gives inverted product. Let's check stereochemistry of reactant and product. Initially, leaving group is above the plane and finally incoming nucleophile occupy position opposite to leaving group. For better understanding, convert flying wedge into Fischer form. Above the plane groups are on the right hand side, below the plane at left hand side. Here is carboxylate acid, carboxylate, ethyl carboxylate, R group. Give priority, oxygen getting first priority, carboxylate getting second priority, alkyl get third priority. 1 to 2, 2 to 3. It is anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise is yes, but fourth priority group is on the horizontal line. Therefore, S converted into R. Therefore, configuration of reactant is R configuration. Now, let's check configuration of product. Nucleophile containing oxy group is at is below the plane, therefore it is at left hand side. Hydrogen is above the plane, therefore it is at right hand side. Carboxylate group at in plane, therefore it is above is on vertical line. Then alkyl group is also on horizontal vertical line. Okay, therefore numbering: oxygen getting first priority, carboxylate getting second priority, alkyl getting third priority. 1 to 2, 2 to 3. Okay, it is clockwise, but again here hydrogen is on horizontal line, therefore R converted into S. Okay, in this way we understand that reactant having reactant reactant having R configuration and product having S configuration. So yes, by Mitsunobu reaction we get inverted product from alcohol. Mechanism of this reaction is provided here, which follow initial attack of triphenyl phosphine followed by abstraction of acidic proton from benzoic acid, making it conjugate base, then further removal of triphenyl phosphine and abstraction of hydrogen from alcohol. Then final step, formation of strong oxygen phosphorus bond and its removal by backside attack of nucleophilic benzene carboxylate ion. In this way we get required inverted product from alcohol. Okay, so by using Mitsunobu reagents such as diethyl azo dicarboxylate and triphenyl phosphine, we can convert or we can convert living bad living group into good living group, and we are getting inverted product. Okay. That's all. Thank you.